should we get started?
Yes, sir. Shall we start, sir?
Yes, yes.
So good morning and a very warm welcome to you all. Thank you for joining us for the very first HR conclave by HSSC. My name is Juhi Gupta and I am the moderator for today's event. I'm an HR professional with almost 14 years of corporate experience, and in my current role as a corporate trainer, I'm delighted to be associated with HSSC as a project lead corporate relations. I would also welcome Mr. Dilip Kumar Sharma and Ms. Parul Tripathi as HSSC associates and co-hosts for this event. Let me briefly take you through the program flow. Please excuse me. As we know, this conclave has been organized to develop deeper perspectives about how we can impact the world and move into 2021 with a more positive as well as enriched outlook. We will have our keynote speakers share their thoughts during their session of about half an hour each, followed by question answers. And this will be followed by a small award ceremony and a book launch. Few housekeeping rules before we get started. I would request all of you to please be on mute unless you need to speak. You can raise your hands, which is there on the toolbar, for any questions if you need or in case you need to speak. And your questions can be typed in the chat box and we will take up the questions as and when possible. We are also streaming this conclave live on Facebook. So on behalf of HSSC, I welcome all those who are joining us through Facebook Live. We would also be addressing the questions posted on Facebook during the conclave. I would now announce the conclave open.
Awesome. Thank you, Juhi. Superb.
Please join me in welcoming Mr. Hariharan Iyer, founder of HSSC, a multi-talented and multifaceted personality. He is an internationally certified trainer from Ascentive USA, author of 7 books, Reiki Grandmaster, recipient of Rex Karamveer Puraskar Jyoti, holder of registered trademark of Entertrainer and India's first Entertrainer. Mr. Iyer comes with a vast experience of 25 years in training and development, and it's my pleasure to invite him and take us through the journey of HSSC.
Are you ready?
Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Juhi. Can you put off the screen?
Yes, sir, sure.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much, Juhi. First of all, a very, very warm, amazing good morning to all of you. And my namaste to everyone who has joined us directly through this, for this conference, for this conclave, as well as people who are joining us live through Facebook. And I'm extremely delighted to welcome all of you to the inaugural HSSC conclave. So if you see the spelling, we have given it a twist. It's a little different. So it's not just a conference, it's a conclave, where today we're going to learn how we can conquer adversity through the 3 B's approach, which is basically break in, break out, and breakthrough. So I will be doing one summing up session in the end. However, our 3 main speakers are going to take us through this journey of break in, break out, and breakthrough. So our first speaker, Niharika Bhargava, has already joined us. So she will go right after me. So it's my delight to welcome all of you. Thank you, Juhi, for all the amazing support that you've given in putting this all together. And we have put in a lot of hard work in the last 30 to 45 days to make this event happen. My big thank you to all the delegates who have joined us from various parts of the country. Some are individuals, some have come through organizations, And my heartiest congratulations to the awardees, whom I think not everyone has joined so far, but they will join us. And my heartiest congratulations to the awardees who are going to receive an award for their exemplary contribution in the field of HR in the very first HSSC conclave. So I'm also extremely thankful and very delighted to also welcome my associates who are my team members, who are part of HSSC, who work on various projects that we do together. So thank you, Dilip. Thank you, Parul. Thank you, Varsha, for also joining us. And of course, thank you, Jui, for being there and supporting me through this journey. It's our company. We do it all together. So I really, I salute your ownership and thank you so much for putting it all together. So it's a brief welcome address, but however, I'm going to share quickly with you in terms of what HSSC is all about. But उसके पहले मैं अपना एक शेर सुनाना चाहता हूँ आप लोगों की शान में. This is basically to welcome the delegates. जुई शेर के बाद छोटा सा म्यूजिक चला देना. Basically, I don't know who has written this, but I really found this beautiful and I took it from the internet. 100 चांद भी आएंगे तो महफिल में वो बात नहीं बनेगी. 100 चांद भी आएंगे तो महफिल में वो बात नहीं बनेगी. सिर्फ आपके आने से ही महफिल की रौनक बढ़ेगी. सिर्फ आपके आने से ही महफिल की रौनक बढ़ेगी. This is a little tribute to all our delegates who have joined us. So इस शेयर पे एक छोटा सा म्यूजिक हो जाए जुई. Yeah, इस शेयर पे एक छोटा सा म्यूजिक हो जाए. And this music is to welcome all our wonderful delegates who have taken time out and they have invested their energy and time to join us today. Yes, happening, or we'll do it later?
So was it audible?
No, it was not. I think you'll have to share screen. That's okay. No worries. We'll do it later. Okay. So, so once again, a very warm welcome to all our delegates who have joined us today. And let me quickly take you through the journey of HSSC and as to why we are doing this conclave today. So I started HSSC in the year 2009, 11 years ago. And in November, we completed 11 years. So in a sense, this conclave is also a commemoration of that completion of the 11 years. And what an amazing journey it has been in terms of doing a lot of amazing corporate training. It's been a great evolution for me personally. I've grown as a person. I've learned entrepreneurship the hard way, but the beautiful way. And like they always say, the hard way is the sure way. So some of the companies for whom we have conducted training include names like Rolls-Royce, names like Cipla, Glenmark, Howard Johnson, LIC, SBI Life, and the list is really big. And every single client that we have worked with, from the insurance sector, from the BFSI sector, from the pharma sector, from real estate, and all kinds of industries with whomever we have worked, I think it's been a terrific learning experience for all of us. So it's been a terrific journey. Now, I want to cover what HSSC is about in 4 sections very quickly. First is, who are we? I would like to say that apart from being a training and development organization, we are now evolving ourselves into a platform which is enabling people, which is connecting people, and which is creating a community of learners. So basically, I call it ECC formula: enabling people, connecting people, and creating a community of learners from various walks of life. And we have some amazing, robust products, and we are creating community of learners as entertainers, as certified high impact communicators, as corporate training learners. We have recently launched a motivational speaking course. We are coming up with a coaching program. We are coming up with a leadership transformation program. So there's a lot happening. So this is what we are. So what defines us? What defines us? We are also launching trainers through our platform. That's why I said we are becoming more of a platform at this point of time. So what defines us? What defines us is our uniqueness. If I might also say, a little bit of our audacity to try and do something different in life. It is our uniqueness, it's our innovation. Now, we have come up with so many innovative products over these last 11 years. And it's a wide spectrum. It's a wide spectrum. We are now also going to come up with a learning certification for trainers, where we are going to certify them on 50 different soft skills and behavioral modules. So we're going to come up with that. We have already created an very HR specific product, where one of our speakers, the first speaker after me, Niharika, has created a tool called Corporate Holistic Fitness Instrument, very, very specific for the HR community. So we would connect with you once this conclave is done, and we'll share more details about that particular product. It's innovative, it's different, it's unique, and we are out there in the market trying to do something very interesting and very exciting. So this is what defines us: the level of energy we bring to the work, the level of innovation that we bring to the work. So what's our vision? Our vision is to build a learning empire. It's like a mall. You enter a mall and you get all kinds of learning products that are available for you, for various sections of people, right from a homemaker to a CEO, a top corporate professional. Every man on the street should benefit from the HSSE course. And that is our vision. So therefore, we want to build a learning empire, and our vision is to build the world's most exciting company, if I might say so. You see, we are very excited people. And I have been a motivational speaker in my life, and that's one of the things I enjoy doing so much. And motivational speakers, as you know, are always excited people. We are very excited. And there's something I learned from my super boss, who said that exciting people produce exciting results. Excited people produce exciting results. So we want to build the world's most exciting training organization. And we are very much on the path. There is such a long way to go. We are looking at building a team of associates of like-hearted people, not just like-minded people, like-hearted people. We want them to come together. And we are building this HR community through this conclave. We might even open up opportunities. This might even open up opportunities for becoming our associates. So that's our vision. It's grand, it's audacious, it's extremely exciting, because it gives you a reason to get up in the morning and get to work. So that's our vision. And what's our mission? How are we going to get to this vision? How are we going to live this dream? How are we going to leave a legacy for people? The mission is to help ordinary people become extraordinary through the power of fun-based learning. The whole mission is to enable ordinary people to become extraordinary through the power of fun-based learning. And our Entertrainer certification program is something that defines this whole approach to the learning ecosystem. We are bringing in that kind of energy, that kind of learning, and that kind of innovation into our products, into our programs. And we're establishing that kind of connect with people. And we want to continue to do that. And we want your support. We want people, like-hearted people. I choose the word like-hearted and not like-minded, because the mind tends to change with circumstances. But like-hearted people are people who stay connected despite whatever this context, situations, and the circumstances. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are a little mad. And mad means we want to make a difference. So, before I once again welcome all of you, I want to end with one wonderful share by Rahat Indori Saab, whom unfortunately we lost in this COVID period, but a fantastic Shire and amazing. I mean, he's a real entertainer, Shire. I mean, watch the way he delivers. And he says that रोज तारों को नुमाइश में खलल पड़ता है, रोज तारों को नुमाइश में खलल पड़ता है, चांद पागल है, अंधेरे में ही निकल पड़ता है. चांद पागल है, अंधेरे में ही निकल पड़ता है. So we are trying to provide light in the darkness, illuminate people who are in the darkness of ignorance by enlightening their lives with some absolutely amazing content and some fun-based learning. So this is what we are. This is what defines us. This is our vision to build the most exciting training company in the world. And it's our mission to enable ordinary people to become extraordinary through the power of fun-based learning. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the inaugural HSSC HR Conclave, where we're going to learn how to conquer adversity through the 3 B's approach: break in, break out, and break. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. And once again, I can welcome you so many times because I'm so delighted this morning to see all of you here today. So God bless all of you. And I'm sure that you'll have a very enjoyable and a very enriching conclave experience. Thank you so much. And it's over to you, Juhi, again.
Thank you so much, sir, first of all, for sharing the insights about HSSC. And